Hello everyone, in this today's video we will discuss the landmark cases of mens rea. First is R versus Prince, which is of the year 1875. In this case, the defendant Prince has kidnapped the 14-year-old girl, which Prince has believed that the girl is of 18 years, but actually she was below 18. And in this case, when the prince has taken this contention that he has believed the girl of his 18-year, then in this case the Supreme Court held that the mistake of fact does not stand as a defense where no requirement of knowledge. इसका मतलब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि किडनैपिंग एक अपने आप में ही एक ऑफेंस है, तो वहाँ नॉलेज की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है। और मिस्टेक ऑफ फैक्ट कि मेरे को पता नहीं था कि वो 18 साल की है, ये फैक्ट एज अ डिफेंस रिक्वायर्ड नहीं, हम नहीं ले सकते। सो इन दिस केस द फॉरबिडन एक्ट इज़ रॉन्ग इन इट्स सेल्फ। तो प्रिंस इसमें गिल्टी रहा और सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा ये जो उसने एक्ट किया है वो अपने आप में ही रॉन्ग है। सेकंड केस इज क्वीन वर्सेस टॉल्सन ऑफ 1889. In this case, the appellant and the defendant had married, in which the appellant has missing in the from the ship which has की खबर फैली कि वो समुंदर में डूब गई है, ship has lost into the sea, and the defendant had wait of the appellant for 6 years. But when the appellant hasn't come, then she has remarries. But after the marriage of the 11 month, the appellant has come, and when he had knowledge that defendant has already remarriage, then he filed the appeal for the bigamy. So in this case the Supreme Court held that the existence of circumstances make accused act innocent, कि जो भी सर्कमस्टांसिस थे वो 6-7 साल तक नहीं आया और डिफेंडेंट ने बहुत ट्राई किया अपीलेंट को ढूंढने का पर कुछ पता नहीं चला, तो इसीलिए जो एक्यूज है, जो डिफेंडेंट का एक्ट है वो इनोसेंट माना जाएगा और ये एक प्रॉपर डिफेंस ले सकता है। देन थर्ड केस इज़ first two cases is of the English cases, and then next two is of the Indian case laws. Third is State of Maharashtra versus M.H. George 1965. In this case M.H. George is a German smuggler who had flew, उसकी flight थी Zurich to Manalia. Zurich is a Switzerland very famous city, and Manalia is in Philippines. On the 28th November 1962, then he has taken the 34 kilos of the gold from Zurich to Manalia. But on the 8th November, the RBI has to bring the notification, but which was published in the Gazette on 24th November, that this amount of the gold hasn't we can go from नहीं लेके जा सकते कि हम बाय एयरवेज, ठीक है। तो इन दिस केस द सुप्रीम कोर्ट हेल्ड द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्ट्रिक्ट लाइबिलिटी व्हेन द जॉर्ज हैज़ टेकन द कंटेंशन कि उसे नहीं पता था कि ऐसा कोई लॉ आ चुका है। तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि जो बंदा हर किसी को उस जगह का जहाँ पे वो जा रहा है वहाँ का लॉ पता होना चाहिए, एंड स्ट्रिक्ट लाइबिलिटी का प्रिंसिपल अप्लाई होगा। इन द फोर्थ केस विच इज़ नथुलाल वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश 1966. In this case the Nathulal was a dealer of fruit grains, and he has sold the wheat without the proper license. Because he had applied for the license but hasn't received the license, So then the Supreme Court confirmed in this case that the accuser is innocent and held that he didn't intentionally contravene the provisions of the Essential Commodities Act 1955, and the accused is not liable in this case. He has no guilty. Thank you. That's all in this for this video.